doing this fully the wrong way.
Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in the video. I'm with MrWaheedulHaque here.
Easy.
We have this Astra. Is it L? For Labib? Astra L. Joking, Astra H. For Astra in it. We're going to be attaching some shark fins, small extra ones, mini ones, on the spoiler side. Is it spoiler side? Behind the spoiler, innit?
On top of the spoiler.
On top of the spoiler. So yeah, we've ordered this kit. It's not the best, but hopefully works. So right now we're attaching the 3M to the bottom of this. So these are the shark fins. I think there's 5 because there's 5 stickers. Just lining them up, putting them on the sticker.
Fit check.
Let's see. Okay, so he's got the golden shoes on, Nike. Cristiano Ronaldo. What the hell happened to the tick? It was meant to be like that.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, bro.
Fucking hell, you should shoulder man, made the profit man. Okay, you got a money watch. No, it's not a money. He's got silver shirt, tie. He's wearing a shirt and tie with a chain. Okay guys, we're ready. We're just gonna put all these on now. We're gonna peel the 3M off, put them all on, and then the bottom side is sticky, so we're gonna have to stick it, pull it off like that. There you go. Here you go. Look, beautiful. One big shark fin, one small shark fin. That lined up.
It is lined up, but it isn't.
Is it?
I can't tell. Oh, well, obviously from your camera, it's not going to look lined up.
That's the middle. Kind of.
One new product we're bringing to the channel, Gorilla Glue.
Gorilla Glue. Thank you, Gorillas, for sponsoring this and producing this out your ass.
What the fuck is this?
It's a tape.
No, it's not. What is this?
It's a cleaner.
Right, comes in
Beautiful.
handy,
Free gloves with this. Amazing. In coronavirus times like this is what is needed.
Because to be fair, you do not want Gorilla Glue on your skin.
So why are we putting these shark fins on, Labib?
So it's actually pretty fuel efficient.
It's for fuel efficiency, yes.
When it comes to aerodynamics, of course, the air kind of flows this way. That's why I've already got one big one there. So
it justifies the mean to the cost.
Exactly. You know,
and the XP kit is coming on soon. All obviously for fuel efficiency, nothing really, else. Not for styling, not for anything else.
Obviously, at the end of the day, you know what prices are like for.
No good. Look at this beautiful bottle.
Is that it?
What is that? The head.
Is that it? Do I just start?
No, you drink it. It looks like Coke. Are you squeezing it?
Yeah.
Let me stay away from you.
No, I've already squeezed it. So.
It's going up.
Yeah.
Okay, stick it to the bottom and make sure you line that shit up.
I kind of want to wear these gloves, so they're very uncomfortable.
You don't need it. It's just if you stick to your skin's going to be peeling off for a few months.
That's alright, dude.
Okay, let's see how it
You know what? Yeah, I'm actually taking it out.
Okay, good luck.
So,
go on.
The way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to do like a small line just there. That's all I need, because then when I press it down, it'll obviously just spread. So you don't need much. Obviously, I don't know how thick this glue is.
It's quite thick, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really thick.
Like honey, bro. Put some more on. Put some more on.
There you go.
Beautiful.
That's perfect. Okay.
Okay. You need to get it lined up in the first time.
Alright, let's
good
put
look.
Glue spoiler off.
Yeah, your carbon fiber spoiler. Where's the ends of it, man?
Right, so
line it up. Line it up. He's beeping. Line it off. Line it off.
Is that middle?
To the left. Wait. I don't know. Wherever you think is the middle, put it in the middle. You have to push it down, bro. I can see the front end. It's not stuck down.
Oh shit.
Keep it.
That's a lot of glue to put on.
It's too much.
Yeah, way too much.
It's around the edge. Fuck it. You can see that, bro. Apart from you. And it's what? Exactly why you have to wear a glove. This is why gloves were made.
Maybe they're not so uncomfortable.
Look. Now they're not so comfortable now. And look what's happening down there. The alloys are being washed.
I'm not cleaning them, Dad. I'm not cleaning your fan. No.
Look at this glue. Glue. The shark fins are on. Excuse me, bro. Video, bro. Thank you, bro. Look, shark fins. How much fuel economy did this add?
9.
5%. Or 9 miles per gallon. Look, you have to press it down.
Nah, I did an extra 5.
Okay, let's see. Does this look nice now? Meh. Looks okay.
That's alright.
You should get some better radio signal now as well. Better fuel per gallon and radio signal. Look at that, beautiful. Thank you for watching. Labib, you have become a racer.
I'm already racer, boy.
You just need some green wheels like the other guys.
Problem.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.